lot nicer.
So I bought this 1989 Lincoln Town Car a few weeks ago, and I can't stop thinking about it. It's a great car. Outside, inside, and I'm just cleaning it with my friend, and we were with the pressure washer, and we found out it's a great way to clean the headliner. I was looking all over YouTube, and it said, get some, dish soap, get a brush, scrub it. But I tried doing that, and it didn't work as well as just using a power washer. And
Show this here. Now you sit, and now you don't.
I highly recommend this if you're, detailing your car or something you like. And I got a pressure washer here. It only cost about $80 at Home Depot. So I hope this video helped you, and give it a like and a thumbs up.